What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the camera not focusing issue on your Xiaomi POCO phone. So to fix this issue, first of all tap and hold on the camera app. Now tap on this information icon and then tap on this force stop option on the bottom left corner. Now tap on OK, and after force stopping the camera app, the phone camera will start focusing perfectly. But if you are still facing the issue, then open camera, tap on this drop down arrow and then tap on this settings icon in this menu. Now scroll down to the end and tap on restore default settings, and here tap on OK to confirm. And after resetting the camera settings back to factory default, the focusing issue will be fixed. So that's how you can fix the camera not focusing issue on your Xiaomi POCO phone. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.